Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So yes, as you guys know from the title, today we test fitting the Tomei turbo on the 1JZ-GTE. So the Tomei turbo is been sitting here for the past month or two since I got it. This is a direct bolt-on onto the JZ-GTE. So pretty much this Tomei turbo, the Tomei Arms MX8280 1JZ, this is pretty much a direct OEM bolt-on replacement from a Toyota C15 turbo. I already showed you guys the difference on one of my videos between this Tomei turbo and the C15 turbo. So as you guys know, I got it in about 2 months ago. This thing has been just sitting here and collecting dust. I kind of got up and I really wanted to see how this thing actually fits in the motor and how it looks. I guess we're about to find out now. All I gotta say about this turbo is, damn, this thing is such a good looking bad boy. Wow. God damn it. Alright. And here it is. Damn, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks really badass, man. Look at that turbo. Wow. This actually fit onto the stock intake manifold. This is the cool thing about this turbo, guys. You don't have to really modify anything. Everything you would just go plug and play. Look at this. This is pretty much the stock turbo manifold that come with the C15, and it's just plug and play. Now you could have use the OEM downpipe as well. I just wanted to take it to another level, so I got the Tomei Extreme downpipe. Look at that. Wow, man, this thing looks so good. Tomei Arms JZ8280. Wow, this thing is swinging. So just to let you guys know, I'm not putting the turbo in yet because I'm still missing the gasket and all that, but I'm just test fitting it because I was really curious about this thing, man. Like, look at that. It definitely looked a lot different from there to here, man. This is, I'm really impressed. Very impressed. You guys were excited, huh? Look at that. Alright, so a quick update of the motor. So pretty much the motor, everything is pretty much done. I don't have anything else to do on it except the motor mounts. The motor mount, we could leave it for last, but I could have them done by tonight, paint them and whatever. Wiring, everything is connected, all the plug and all that. You know, what is missing is the starter over here. The starter wiring. Other than that, we have everything plugged it back in. There is nothing really much to do. Now, for my next plan is, oh my God, look at that. Crazy. So yeah, my next plan is I'm going to, you know, put the motor back into the hose. I don't know if I'd be able to move it like this to the back of the house, you know. As you guys know, I have a ramp over here, like going downhill. If I have a flat surface, I'm 100% sure that I'll be able to bring the motor back to the, you know, back to the shed and keep it there until I finish with the chassis. But yeah, I'm planning to put the motor back into the hoist. So maybe from there, tow it to the driveway, to the walkway that is on the side of the house. And then from there, just, you know, with a dolly, just bring it all the way back. Yeah, here's the motor. It's looking great. The turbo, I'm planning to do last because the turbo could just fit in here with no problem. Or before I dump it in, I could just, you know, do the turbo, mount on the lines and whatnot. But we're gonna focus on this now. This is a total mess. I still gotta cut this. I'm still debating on welding this or whatnot. Cleaning all this, you know, push the car out, power wash it, have everything super clean. Oh, another thing is I got this line from ISR. Where did I put them? Oh yeah, here you go. So I got this line actually from ISR. So this line, basically they're going to the power steering rack. So basically I'm gonna delete these two ugly lines in there, this thing is very annoying and it's very ugly. Oh shit, my phone. All right, total, send it to the wall too. Fuck it. So yeah, so actually this line is gonna replace these two ugly lines on the power steering rack. Look at that. So yeah, so actually this line got hooked up on the R154 transmission when I was taking it out, and it was pain in the ass. So, you know, just to make it look cleaner, power steering lines. There we go. So you know what? Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and do those now because this thing is really simple. The clutch will be last as well, as you guys know, because we got the motor mount. I mean, I could do it, you know, still on the hoist, but we'll see what's up. We're not on the rush. Starter, we're gonna put everything on the back. We're gonna start cleaning everything because I really want to push the car out to power wash this, you know, to take all the paint out and start the job inside the chassis because we're running out of time, guys. It's already mid of January. So I really want to get this done before May. So basically, we still have a lot of work ahead. We still gotta relocate the handbrake. We still gotta fix those lines. Those are hella ugly lines. We're not gonna use solid lines anymore. We're gonna use braided lines, 3AM braided lines. So everything pretty much is gonna change. So pretty much everything is going to change. Like I said, I don't know if I'm doing the, like I say, I don't know if I'm doing the case yet. I am really want to do. I got the template from Kevin's. I might start cutting the plate and whatnot. I want to see how actually I'm gonna weld the base plate over here, right over here. I need to take out those brackets that go on the back. They are in the middle of everything. And also the base plate over here. I still gotta take this sounding out. Look at this guy. This thing is virgin, man. This thing is nice. And also we still gotta relocate all those brake lines. I'm doing braided lines this time. I got some really good parts for this. We're actually gonna convert those fitting to a vinyl fitting. You guys will see. It's gonna be nice. Talking about fitting, we still gotta relocate the fuel pressure regulator. I was planning it to put it somewhere on the motor. I don't know. So yeah, man, it's just so much work ahead.